Was it good?
It's on 2 out of the 4 amps. Getting there.
Oh, I need gas.
Did you move your seat forward?
I did.
Nice.
Mike, get in here.
I'm trying.
He's trying. You get in.
What to do? I'm so wasted.
Base wasted.
1 second.
I need to get to the
Rev that shit, homie.
Yeah. A little more.
More.
That's fine.
Oh no, your gauge ain't working.
It's more, but there's a whole song left.
I've never had to cough from bass before. Okay. That was intense. I felt like I took a huge rip from the bong.
Well, Matt, you're up.
Yeah, low shit. Open up that window.
Roll that window down. Let's get a hair trick.
Wait. You gotta get in here, JJ. Or did you already hear this thing?
I already heard it once, but I'll get in again.
Oh, you did? Okay, come on.
Videos.
They want to do the hair trick.
Okay.
Like that shit? A little bit higher. Yeah, that's really cool, man. You're playing way below tuning. Woo! Fucking Moose Mayor.